Hello everyone, so if you want to log and unlock apps on your Redmi Note 13, first to open up your settings, scroll down to your apps section. Now in your app section, find your app lock. Press turn on. Now you will be prompted to create a password. Alt press change password, choose PIN, so you can create any kind of password, right? I'll create a PIN, press next. Enter your PIN again to confirm. Now we'll be prompted to enter into your Xiaomi account. This will help to reset your password if you forget it. However, if you're confident enough that you won't forget your password, feel free to keep this step by pressing not now. So once again, I'll choose not now. Good. And now we're to select some applications which we can lock. So for example, those are like recommended applications, right? So you can lock all of them or you can not lock anything. Let's lock our WhatsApp, for example. Press use app lock. Now you're to confirm your fingerprint or your password if you have one, right? And now in your app lock, you can lock more applications. For example, let's lock AliExpress. All right, now, if you're gonna try to open it up, for example, WhatsApp, as you see, we're prompted to enter a password or use our fingerprint. I'll use a fingerprint for now. As you see, it was opened. Now, if you wanna disable it, simply go back to your app lock and tap on the switch near the application. And as you see, the app lock was disabled. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.